I love SB19 at dahil dyan kailangan kong magpakatotoo. Something is off with their new song emoji with Jolene. So kapag favorite mo kasi ang isang artist, dapat hindi ka puro praise lang. You should be able to say something when something feels off and something is not hitting the way it should. So, this is not hate, this is constructive criticism from someone who has supported SB19 for a very long time and who knows what they are capable of. Honestly, hindi maganda yung song na emoji with Jolene. As much as I want to love it, it was a rough listen. It did not contain the magic of SB19 that we know. Let me be clear. This is not because Jolene is not a great artist. She is a major figure, a powerful performer, and an iconic name sa C-pop. She even built a strong career talking about societal issues and constant yung kanyang presence and reinvention. But over time, especially when she moved into the westernized pop image at nagkaroon siya ng admiration for Madonna as a stage performer, mas more western na actually yung type ng music niya. And her work became more provocative and image-driven. That style clearly does not work for this collaboration with SB19. The problem is, hindi na ilabas dito yung strength na totoo ng SB19. That is one of the main reasons why this collaboration felt off to me. Instead of feeling like SB19 expanding while still sounding like themselves, it felt too Jolene coded, too shaped by her world, too styled around that glossy, flashy, performative energy. Alam mo yun, yung music video nila, dominant yung black and blue colors, para silang naging backdrop instead of remaining the center of gravity dito sa release na to. And that is what really disappointed me the most. What makes SB19 strong is that hindi lang sila marunong sumayaw, mag-perform, or look good on camera. Ang lakas nila is their identity. Songs like Gento, Aton Ball, Visa, Dungka, Mana, Dam, contains yung soul at sariling angas talaga at character ng SB19. It contains them. Hindi sila empty. And their songs are not soulless. Hindi sila generic. They feel rooted in something. You can hear their grit, yung originality nila. At naalala ko pa nga si Pablo, he gets inspiration actually. Palagi ko even in his dreams, diba? So, may lyricism and power and distinct signature and energy that made people pay attention to them in the first place. Naalala mo yung Gento, paulit-ulit mo talagang panunoodin kasi ang daming laro, ang dami nilang inihahain sa atin. Sa emoji,